Hi, this is Drew with Daniels Ag Services with your morning report. Markets finished up mixed yesterday. You had corn and beans lower while wheat was higher on the day. Mixed again this morning with corn and wheat lower while beans are slightly higher. Did good crop progress yesterday, so let's grab our whiteboard here and go over it. As usual, we'll go over good to excellent first. Nothing changed on the corn front. Still sitting at 74% good to excellent. Beans actually did drop 1%, so they're at 71% good to excellent now versus 72% last week. Corn mature came in at 42%. That's a 15% increase from last week. Soybeans dropping leaves came in at 45%. That's a 21% increase from last week. And then winter wheat planted came in at 25%. That's a 13% increase from last week. Harvest data, corn came in at 7%. That's a 3% increase from last week. Beans came in at 3%. This is the first week we've gotten data on soybean harvest. So that's versus the 5-year average of 8%. And then the spring wheat harvest is 86% complete versus 12% last year. So a little further behind on harvest than we typically are on the 5-year average. I think corn is around 15%. And as you saw there, we were only 7% complete. And then the 5-year average for beans is 8% versus 3%, which we are this year. But weather outlook's pretty good. Should speed harvest along. Of course, there's really big yields out there right now. It's going to take a little more time to harvest when you've got a lot more grain to cut. So that could be affecting it as well. But at a little slower start to some of the weather out there, but some of the warmth in the weather forecast right now should dry things down a bit and get harvest up to full speed. So that's all we've got for today. If you've got any questions, let me know. Otherwise, have a great day, and we'll see you tomorrow.
This material is conveyed as a solicitation for entering into a derivatives transaction. This material has been prepared by Daniels Ag Services broker who provides research, market commentary, and trade recommendations as part of his or her solicitation for accounts and solicitation for trades. Daniels Ag Services, its principals, brokers, and employees may trade in derivatives for their own accounts or for the accounts of others. Due to various factors such as risk tolerance, margin requirements, trading objectives, short-term versus long-term strategies, technical versus fundamental market analysis, and other factors, such trading may result in the initiation or liquidation of positions that are different from or contrary to the opinions and recommendations contained therein. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future performance. The risk of loss in trading futures contracts or commodity options can be substantial, and therefore investors should understand the risks involved in taking leveraged positions and must assume responsibility for the risks associated with such investments and for their results. You should carefully consider whether such trading is suitable for you in light of your circumstances and financial resources. You should read the risk disclosure accessed at www.danielsagservices.com. Daniels Ag Services is not affiliated with, nor does it endorse any trading system, newsletter, or similar service. Daniels Ag Services does not guarantee or verify any performance claims made by such systems or services.